is going to be a few problems that we will that I will work from Module 1 in Physical Science. So the first real problem in that chapter is number 10. So these are the study guide problems for Module 1 on page 24 in your textbook. So in the question number 10, the question is how many centimeters are in 1.3 meters? Okay, so we're going to convert 1.3 meters to centimeters. So the first thing that you need to know is that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So then we would set it up so that the unit that you are converting, we set up and put that over 1. And then you're going to multiply that times an equivalency, and you want the unit that you want to end up with, which is centimeters, on top. So 100 centimeters is going to go on the top, and 1 meter will go on the bottom. Okay, so then meters are going to cancel, and 1.3 times 100 would be 130 centimeters. So the answer is 130 centimeters for number 10. Okay, the next problem is number 11. And here we are given that a person's mass is 75 kilograms. And we are asked how many grams does that equal? So the abbreviation, this is the abbreviation for kilograms. The abbreviation for grams is just a G. Okay, so the unit conversion that you need to know here is that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Okay, so we start with what we want to convert, which is the 75 kilograms. Put that over 1. And we're going to multiply that times the unit that we want to end up with is going to go on top. So 1,000 grams goes on top, and 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So the 1 kilogram goes on the bottom, and then the kilograms will cancel, and then you just do the multiplication across the top. So 75 times 1,000 is equal to 75,000 grams. So that's the answer for number 11, 75,000 grams. Okay, number 12 is also a problem. So number 12 says that you have 0.500 gallons of milk. And we would like to know how many liters is that. So equals how many liters. Okay, so the unit that we want to convert goes on, well, actually, let's back up and first say that the unit conversion for this one would be that 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters, and that's given to you in the problem. So the unit that you want to convert, you put with its units attached over 1, and then we will multiply that. We want to end up with liters, so this number goes on top. So 3.78 liters is equal to 1 gallon. So we'll multiply across the top, divide by the bottom, but the bottom is just 1, so we're just going to multiply across the top. So 0.500 times 3.78 is equal to 1.89, and so you have a gallon on top and a gallon on bottom, so those are going to cancel and you're left with liters. So our units are 1.89 liters, and that is the answer for number 12. And the last problem in this chapter is then number 13. And number 13, it says that a meter stick is 100.0 centimeters long. So the abbreviation for centimeters is cm. And we want to know how many inches does that equal? Equals how many inches? Okay, so again, the unit conversion, and you're given, the book gives this to you. You're told that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so the unit that you want to convert, which is this, you're going to put that over top of the number 1. And then the unit that we want to end up with is inches, so 1 inch is going to go on the top. And 2.54 centimeters is going to go on the bottom. So you can see a centimeter on top and a centimeter on bottom, so those units cancel. So then you're going to multiply across the top, 100 times 1, and then divide by the bottom, so you're going to divide by 2.54. So 100.0 divided by 2.54 equals 39.37007874. Okay, so you can round that off. We'll just say that it's 39.4 inches. Okay, those are the units that we are left with. And that is our answer. That's the answer for number 13. Okay, so all the other questions for the study guide for Module 1 are not problems. Those are just questions, so we'll just do these problems.